Hey traders, this is Raul with the post-market analysis for trading session Thursday, September 21st. As I mentioned in my pre-market video, the second scenario played out. So we had here attempts to break this orange bearish frequency line, which failed. And when it failed, we had this strong move back into this red bearish frequency. We couldn't make it up higher. Then we had a small reaction here on the orange one, breaking it. And here again, we have a situation that we have here some kind of support, because traders are trading this horizontal area, which might not be really a support area. So we pop back here up, and now we had a kind of a retest of this orange bearish frequency. Now it's the decision time if we can break through this orange one. If we couldn't break here, then the next one would be the red here, or we might just consolidate and being pushed down here, or break through and accelerate up again. So I'm done for today. I started trading here. I was late. I'm in Europe. Market opens at 3:30 p.m. and I was stuck in traffic. So when I opened my NinjaTrader, I saw this and expected the red bearish frequency line here to hold and push price down to the next target, the extended target here. This didn't happen. I didn't take my profit here, as I'm always looking for extended targets. Then when we pushed back and broke here, these both frequency line red and orange again to the upside, I immediately exited the position and switched to the long side. Second opportunity would be here at the midband, and then I held it. And when we had this kind of an acceleration here, then I usually draw these very short-term frequency lines, which are the yellow ones here. So we broke into this one, and then I doubled up my position on a pullback, on a retest of this frequency line, with an expectation to the top of this frequency line here. We might now test the orange one at the yellow at the same time, and then plunge back. I would wait for a strong move breaking this yellow frequency line, and then on a pullback being interested in a trade back to this horizontal area. Or as I mentioned before, I don't see these kind of horizontal areas as major support or resistance. As I trade these frequency lines, we might have frequency lines sometimes which are horizontal, and then we have horizontal areas. But this is kind of this was a reaction into this in that frequency, in the orange frequency, and traders are trading here this horizontal area, which might not be one. We might eventually, if we go down, we might just break through and reach this target here, as we were supposed to reach it here. To the upside, I would really wait for a break of the orange one and see what happened at the red one, perhaps waiting the consolidation here, and before going long again, I would wait for a break of this red one and then pulling back, retesting the broken orange line, and then go long from there. But let's see if we get this push down and a pullback for short. I'm done for today, so have a good trading session. If you're still trading, I will be back tomorrow with my pre-market analysis.